show you that how to download your first text editor for Python, right? And as I said in my video, we are going to follow the basic site which is free for everyone, that is py4e.com. This would be like a bible for us. Now here we go to lessons. We'll go to very first lesson, install Python. Then here we go to recommended programming text editors. Now after coming back here, we'll go to there are two things. One is a simple text editor, which is there, you can download it, but I will not suggest it. So we are going to the second one, the VS Code programmer text editor, which is the more advanced version. Basically it will help you coding the correct way, right? So we clicked on the link, and now this is the link which has been opened. Now going down again, here you will see we have the version for Windows also and for the Mac also. So the same can be used on Windows and Mac, which is a good thing. So now right now I'm going to download for the Mac version. Okay, they are going to do want to allow downloads. Yes, allow. Even for me, I'm using the first time the software on Mac. I think it's being downloaded. It took like 30 seconds to download this file. Show downloads. It's decompressing the zip file. It's open now. I think open it. Wait. I have to. Oh, it's verifying. Open. I like to keep it dark. Discover the best customization to make VS Code yours. So I don't like to touch anything right now. Let's keep it default and go to the next section. Let's go to the next section. Mark done. So here we have this Visual Studio Code, right? We just need to create the new file. So you need to enter the file name. So let's say hello world. Let's enter it. They're asking where you want to save. I want to save it on desktop. Create file. Okay, and here we are, ready to write the code.